Welcome back to Mathematics at the Heart. If you love a good brain teaser, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending content. Today, we're diving into the classic Missing Dollar Riddle, so grab your thinking caps. And let's solve this mystery together. Imagine three friends check into a hotel room that costs $30. They each contribute $10, handing over a total of $30 to the hotel manager. But wait! The hotel manager realizes he's overcharged the guests. The room should have only been $25. To rectify this, he hands $5 to the bellboy to return to the guests. Here it gets tricky. The bellboy decides to keep $2 for himself and gives only $3 back to the guests. Now, each guest has paid $9, totaling $27, and the bellboy has $2. That makes $29. Wait, what? Wasn't it $30? Where did the last dollar go? Can you tell where this $1 went? Let's break it down. The guests originally paid $30. After getting $3 back, they have paid $27. The manager keeps $25 with him. $2 kept by bellboy. So it will be total $30. There is no missing dollar. It's all about how the numbers are presented in front of you. There you have it. The missing dollar was never missing. It was just a clever riddle designed to test our logic. Did you solve it on your first try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Show your love and support on the channel Mathematics at the Heart.